Right, fantastic morning. Yawoda, the 10th of October. And Jebo, Jedanya Bedu, Uhuse, Marimi Gold, say, and at 4 p.m., the senior national soccer team, the Black Stars of Ghana, up against Sudan. Now, Sudan, on any day, in Kamachi, or permutations near the Adenwa, as Enki the starts the name be actually quite the last time why a Kaisi and your boy BBC, your name is squad no, and a party a plus and ye party fimo. On that day, the day you bought 2 goals at the Cape Coast Sports Stadium. Where should the day you? Any but Jordan or and I feel so parties were planning the film. Chat and at one as and to it. Tianya be draw be the and Sudan into me and Shagana or Ghana. Fatoso, obedi. What I say, yes, wala natural mineral water the Asia Concordia we can see in April now pay live or Badwam so Kejuana Kasani Erica Sidu Borian and fan the UEFA Nations League and yes, I am going to call for Chassia, and officials Nebesia call on the screen. Italy and Belgium, that's a big game. Italy, Belgium, a bed in papa. And yeah, it's about Latvia and North Macedonia, Moldova and Andorra, Austria and Kazakhstan, England, Greece, 745 Faroe Islands, near Armenia, Finland, Republic of Ireland, Gibraltar, San Marino, Israel and France. Na Italy and Belgium area so Norway and Slovenia we ne matches are basso the biggest of them Italy and Belgium now what you say yes and find say big game one dia enya sam ketwa kra eti de be pim bia na de won sam bebro wala na shwa mi na water dam yenko na fi and Black Stars won sam pa na dia ba enra press conference course the last press conference ahead of that game at basso at 4 p.m. Or the Ohinijan Sports Stadium. Now, Coach Otuado, on a coach Panipa, the Black Stars of Ghana, and somebody to join us or Vim and Vogo. Send a Ranty and a bed deliver. Right, yes, yeah, and say be winning this game, and that's all. The man Otuado, then somebody to Ghana around. And no one answer was not twice so disclose each and show for a question. It's a net the other captain Sambano, a Kudus Mohammed. Because you know Black Stars, one some more and press conference and a basso. Now, Kato Kreku, the president of the association, Yabacho, say before and run on a place to Kokasai, no, Chomo, Senadino, and Ibre Yaba, sending Mubabijna Ghana, Chomonai, if we know Mokom Club or my home and Yade Papa, you are Kato Kreku near Bonidin. Now, I Ghana 24 years, Naba by a sports stadium. Ubia Meshe and Mutitiwasa, and Mangola Beshe 1-0 Hormo. I compare teams name you no players and Kanyoma Fenemokra. Sudan Fui, ya they want to talk Black Stars players, no one, and you're my Fenemo. Now, what it was Sudan for Beshemwa, no more person much less saying. Timonka come on, Kaka, the Munya, de much less. What I say, can I drink one fine partner, place the name be able to Busania, dear. I know only be Brena say, if you're now affected boys, the boys, the crew moving full of a chum and I dear. And on some Tuado, than Anwatum. Right. And only you told the two George. You say a good talk and affect him no a bear affect you in a positive way. I don't know all drain and I say well hope for near there. But as usual, typical of Ghana, Adiana Ghana, you know, England for ya will but England for him Jamashi. Any him Jamashi party. We training pair is just so you won't go more the camp of the Black Stars after the last training session ahead of the game. Right, fantastic. Morale high, and we hope for the best against Sudan. But the more the camp of Sudan for them. Assistant coach Ignatius Ofosu, yes. I don't know assistant coach Akwesiapia. Ignatius ahead of the game. Ninsebni. Right, Ignatius next time everything is possible. There's always a first time. Or something so and then some account for Coach Akwesiapia. And it's a man focus for Coach Ghana paying or executive council. So Yamana resigned temporarily near the as a pressure ban so and so prove each Ghana so heavy. And some nana money nano. Ignatius I didn't know too. I wish this match never happened. I don't know the Ignatius of the two guys. So we Ghana, you want Ghana, but both Ghana and Ghana and go Afghanistan. They are mad something which is there, but still of him and Vogo professionalism and a Bejuma and at 4 p.m. live commentary. Our Adom FM, Asampe FM, Inshare FM, multimedia platforms. I would want to see now. When him said you muda hono, yani the bebro. Yanche the other fixtures of the Afcon Cape Verde, Botswana, and the Pims Algeria and Togo, about DR Congo, Tanzania, na face Namibia, and Zimbabwe, Burkina Faso, Burundi, and the air bunny in the other fixtures and the air basso in the